Hello there! In this update, we've made improvements to Super's site search to help visitors find the right pages and content more easily. If your Super site has a lot of pages, docs, resources, or content, this update should make the search experience much better for your visitors. To use search on your Super site, go to your Super dashboard. From the left panel, open Options, then enable Site Search. Once it's enabled, a search icon will appear on the top right of your Super site. With Site Search, visitors can look for pages, content, or specific terms across your Super site. And with this new update, search results are now sorted better by relevance. This means the most useful and related results should appear higher, making it easier for visitors to quickly find what they're looking for. We've also updated how hidden pages work with Site Search. Pages that are marked as hidden will no longer appear in your site search results. Let me show you how it works. I've created a page that will hide in a moment. First, let's search for this page on the live site. As you can see, the page currently appears in the search results. Now let's go back to the Super dashboard. I'll click Pages on the left panel, select the page we want to hide, and mark it as hidden. Now that the page is hidden, let's go back to the Super site and search for it again. As you can see, the hidden page no longer appears in the site search. This gives you better control over which pages visitors can discover on your site, especially if you have pages that are still being worked on, used internally, or simply not meant to be found through search. And that's it for this update. We have a lot more Super improvements and updates coming soon, and we're excited to share them with you. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you create a better experience for your site visitors. Until next time, stay super.